So, wanna just have a sit down too? So I'm to you.
I'm at work. Andy. Ah. Hello. I just sit down at work. Sure.
So, she never died in her sleep.
Well, that's what they thought. Before the autopsy, I actually thought it was an aneurysm.
Hold on the babes. Remember, I'm still alert. Go easy. What that?
Sorry, babe. Sometimes I forget that I'm actually not talking to my colleague. An aneurysm is when you actually have a false swelling or bulging of the lining, which is the wall of the vessel.
And that can cause somebody to dead in their sleep?
Of course, especially if they actually ignore the warning signs.
So, where them there?
Well, visual disturbances, double vision, pain in and around the eyes. But hold on, are you having any of these symptoms?
No. No, just ask.
T, are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Tell me something. When was the last time you had an executive profile done?
It's been a while.
Alright. I'm going to set you for one tomorrow. That's it.
Yeah.
It's not a request. Listen to me, T. Not liking doctors and therapists is not a good enough reason for you to not take care of yourself.
Maybe I should have dated somebody in a different profession.
Oh, you stuck with me.
Kidding.
Look, I actually prefer to see you in a doctor's office than on a table in front of me.
Okay, ma'am. I'll do the executive as soon as I set it up. Now, can we get back to the story?
Okay. So T, I was about to take a break, because I really and truly couldn't find what was wrong with the body. But then boom, there they were.
What?
If I tell you, you won't even believe me. 2 small holes right between the thigh and the vagina.
Small holes?
2 gunshot holes made from a 22.
So now this is a homicide case.
Exactly. And her husband is a suspect.
Really? So you have a motive?
Babe, that's going in police business now. I did my part. That no concern me. I don't have that information at all.
Sorry, we forget to say you're no police.
But babe, speaking about police, the other day I got a message from a private number offering me a job from a private agency.
What? Which agency?
I don't know, babe. It was from a private number.
You turn it down, right?
Well, it was a very attractive offer.
Luna, I hope you not consider this, You know nothing about this agency?
Babe, calm down. I would have to get all the information before I even consider this, But why is this triggering you so much?
Well, it's just because...
Mr. Xpressionz.
Carlton!
What?
Boy!
Oh, Miss Perez.
Hi, Sawale.
Carlton.
Only if you call me Luna.
Alright, I will. Luna.
Okay,
Meet Celine.
Hi, Celine. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
And this is Tony, my longtime brethren from school days, now my business partner, Celine.
The pleasure is mine.
Nice to meet you too. Is there something wrong?
No, not at all. It's just that your face looks very familiar.
I've heard that so many times. I guess I have a very popular face.
Maybe you do.
Can I borrow back my hand, please?
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
So, now that the pleasantries and formalities are out of the way, where do we start?
Let's start by having a drink.
Okay.
And then we'll look at the menu.
That sounds like a plan, but apologies, guys. We actually ordered a drink. I'm sorry.
That's alright. But could we sit at a table, please?
Sure, let's go.